So who's an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is a person who takes a problem, he takes his resources, he or she takes his resources, and then find a solution using the resources they have and trying to fix the problem which they want to fix. To me, that is an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is not necessarily doing the same thing which other people were doing. So it's like creating a new dish out of the same exact recipe which others have done. So if you look at Amazon, if you look at eBay, they're not something which nobody has ever done before, but you add a little bit different flavor to the same dish, which makes you different than them. And that is how you become an entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur is very hard. Being a founder is very hard, but it's worth it. It's for people who are creative. It's for people who love challenges. It's for people who don't like to do the same thing over and over. It's for people who really like to solve problems. So if you think you are those people, and this is something you definitely want to pursue, it's not going to be easy, but it's definitely worth the time you spend on it.